So we're gonna go straight down from our first to our second point. Hey guys, Dimitri Pence here with the Outer Crest. So as you guys know, it is becoming summertime and it's super hot over here in Eastern Washington. And if you don't have any insulation and you're living in a bus, it tends to become like an oven. So I decided to order some Reflectix off of Amazon and just do a little bit where a lot of light comes in. So basically I went around all of the windows and got some double-sided Velcro stickies, put it on the window and one on to the Reflectix and just insulated the whole bus. So stay tuned for more. Thank you so much. All right. So I'm gonna start out with kind of setting up my work area, things like that. Get a little table out here so I can do my cutting and go from there. So let's get it going. So we're just gonna need to start out with 3 things. Just gonna need a knife, some double-sided Velcro with the stickies on it, and some Reflectix. So next, we're gonna wanna go through, measure the kind of the sizes of these. I am gonna do 2 separate pieces of Reflectix. I'm gonna put one down at the bottom and one down at top. So have a couple pieces of Velcro on there as well. So that way it's just a little bit more maneuverable. So let's do it. All right, so what I do is I grab a piece like this and basically I make a cut up top and on the side and up top again. And then basically I'm gonna do this for all of them. Cut it here and then cut it down the side. And then boom, boom, put it on top and bottom of the window, on all the windows, and we should be in business. It looks like I need about 14 of these little pieces right here. So I'm gonna go through and cut those all up and then put it in and see how it goes. All right, so now I'm gonna go into the bus and I'm gonna try and put my first piece in. So as you guys can see, I also put a little bit of extra Reflectix over top because this metal gets really, really hot, pretty much attracts heat. So just the leftovers, put over my bed. And then I also put one up here. So, got some more of the double-sided Velcro, and I'm gonna finish putting up the rest of here. You're good to go. I also want to put one sticky right here at the top, so that way when I roll down my window, the Reflectix kind of comes up and over this part. So we'll see if we can make that happen. This one wasn't the best job, but it'll make do. So I'm just gonna stick this guy right here. So that way I can roll it up. And it'll be good right there. And then I roll it down. And it just comes up like that.